What's up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, it's a beautiful day, and that means it's time to wash some cars. We've got our Heroes Cars and Coffee tomorrow, so I need to get the little Z car, at least the pollen off of it, and get it cleaned up for that event. Now, typically when I wash cars, this is what I use. It's just, we've always just had a hose. But I see everybody else with all these pressure washers and things like that, but I didn't want to deal with gas and anything like that. So, and I honestly wouldn't have gotten one of these if it hadn't been this price point. So when I saw that I could get an electric pressure washer from a store called Buy Global, it's the W6 pressure washer for 89 bucks, I had to see if it was any good. So we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna wash the Z. Stay tuned. So Buy Global, I think, is essentially the same thing as TikTok Shop. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below, but you know, on the box, it doesn't say like how many PSI, but I went online. This little thing is supposed to be 2,600 PSI. Like I said, it's 89 bucks, weighs 15 pounds, so it's not gonna be as hard to lug around as some of the other ones out there. I think it even has like a little foam cannon reservoir for folks that are doing that. I didn't bring my knife, and these are the worst scissors in the world, guys. Bear with me a second. All right, so we got it open. Some things in there. Look at that, even comes with a little wash mitt. All right, so nice little hose. Wheels. Another wheel. Lots of little plastic pieces. So apparently we're gonna have to read some instructions, guys. You know I'm very anti-instruction, but it's just gonna have to happen. This thing is tiny. Look at it, it's just cute. That's the cutest little thing ever. So I don't think you need to know how to put handles and stuff on this or the hoses. Maybe you do, but I'm gonna get this set up real quick. But wait, there's more. So check this out, guys. So first off, that's the handle. Yeah. But look at this stuff. It has a foam cannon for 80 bucks. It has a foam cannon. That's crazy. It's crazy. I wasn't expecting the foam cannon. Looks like just wand pieces and wand extenders. Nice. So you can actually make this wand super short, which I love because there's not a lot of space between the Jeep and my car or the truck and the Element. So having this little shorty, it's gonna be pretty cool. So once you've got the handle on, these little plastic pieces just slide in, and then you will add your hose hookup down here, and we should be ready to go after that. Guys, this may be important to you. The cord that plugs into the outlet is 13 feet, and then the hose for the actual sprayer is about 20 feet. So I'm running mine to a drop cord. Let's do this. I do want to show you guys this. This is something really, really cool. This piece that they send, I've used my neighbor's electric pressure washer before, and the hose cutoff was like right here, and it was so hard to grab. This one is very, very easy to screw your hose on. So kudos for that. All right, guys, I got the water hose hooked up. Now I think we just flip it to on. I like it. Heck yeah. So one thing about these little these electric pressure washers, and my neighbors didn't like it either. They don't like being plugged into a drop cord, but this one's working just fine. The other one would just shut off. So again, kudos to this little fella. All right, guys, so I'm going to try the little soap cannon. I don't know how full I'm supposed to fill this thing because I've never been bougie and had one of these, but hopefully that's enough. Boom, soap cannon on. That is so cool. You ain't gonna be able to tell me shit. I feel like somebody. And this is so easy to use, guys. You just pop that in and then half turn and boom, you're done. I freaking love this little thing. How cool is that? Look, it's like I just discovered a foam cannon or a soap cannon, but coolest thing ever. Can't believe this was $89. Okay, the little scrub mitt, that's a little lame, it's tiny. But I'm gonna use it anyway because I forgot my washcloth. So I'm gonna use this guy. I was gonna end the video after washing my car, but Kim had a really good point. Most of the folks that are looking at pressure washers are looking at it for that kind of thing. See what kind of power it has. So like I said, this thing is tiny, but it's got 2,600 PSI of pressure. So Kim is gonna show us if it is strong enough to, let me turn it on. If it is strong enough. And you can adjust your strength. Oh wow. Give it a second. Once the air's out of line, no, keep turning. Once the air's out of the line, wow. And again, she can turn that green dial on the end to increase the spread or decrease the spread, depending on what she needs. But wow. I know I've said it 100 times in this review. $89, guys. I could not believe it's that powerful. Guys, this little pressure washer is $89. All electric. It's tiny and only weighs 15 pounds. So good, guys. All right, Kim, so you use the Harbor Freight one from our neighbor, and we hated it because even on a drop cord, it always cut off. What did you think about this little guy?
Super easy. Yeah, it's lightweight. It's easy to maneuver. It doesn't cut off all the time like the last one did. So, I mean, the downside is that now I have to keep putting it on.
Because you tested it.
Because it tested it. I mean, look at that. I can't beat that.
I mean, guys.
I mean, I thought the patio was in good shape.
But we were mistaken.
Sadly mistaken.
So for 89 bucks, you wouldn't hesitate, would you?
Great little unit.
And honestly, I thought the cord would be short, but by the time you add the 20 feet for the hose, the wand hose, and then 13 feet for the cord for the unit, I mean, it can get anywhere on this patio that it needs.
Yeah, I didn't really need to.
So overall, guys, I am a super fan of this product. I did not think that I was gonna love it like I did until I washed the car and I had my soap cannon. You know, you give a country boy a soap cannon, he thinks he's, you know, on cloud nine. But I didn't think it was gonna have power like it does for the patio. So definitely, I already was happy with it yesterday, but today, seeing what it did for the patio, definitely, I wouldn't hesitate to purchase this item again. All right, guys, that was the W6 pressure washer from buyglobalstore. I'm gonna leave a link for this thing in the description below. I should have a discount code, I'm not sure yet, but I hope I do. But man, this thing was simple, easy, super lightweight, 15 pounds, comes with a foam cannon, 89 bucks. They got a bunch of colors. I just went with a generic, but love it. Super, super impressed. The car is clean. I don't know if you can see, I just got to put some tire shine on, but this thing, so much better than the electric pressure washer I use from Harbor Freight from my neighbor. That thing cut off constantly. This thing never cut off, even using it with a drop cord, which they tell you, I think, not to. But yeah, this thing is great. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about a pressure washer that's less than 100 bucks in the comments below. We'll see you next time, guys.